Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off sleep mode on your Windows 11 computer, meaning that your computer will never go into sleep mode. So you won't have a lock screen, you won't have to type in a password every time your computer goes to sleep. If you restart your computer, obviously if you have a password enabled, you'll have to enter it, but just by simply doing the action of sleep, just by walking away from your computer for an extended period of time, the computer will not automatically sleep. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the magnifying glass and select search. Type in control panel. Best match should come back with control panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to large icons, and then select power options. Select on the left side change when the computer sleeps, and then click inside put the computer to sleep. You want to click inside this drop down here and then set it to never, and you can turn the display off also never, but if you want to conserve power you can just set it to another time interval. But pretty straightforward, at least the computer will not go into sleep mode, and then you would select save changes, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.